Number 31, we're going to find the derivative of something involving e to the x. And just for reference, what we're doing here, the derivative of e to the x is just the same, e to the x. But in this case, we're going to have to apply the product rule since we have the product of a few different factors. So g prime of x starts off with the first, 8x squared, times the derivative of the second. To do the derivative of e to the negative x, we start off with the same thing, e to the negative x. But because it's more than just x on top, I will be applying the chain rule technically to this one, which means I take the derivative of what's on top, negative x, and its derivative would just be negative 1. So that was the first part. First times derivative of the second. We now do plus the second, e to the negative x, times the derivative of the first. And that would be 16x. Now I'm going to simplify this and get negative 8x squared e to the negative x plus 16x e to the negative x. And you might notice that you can factor out an 8 and an x and an e to the negative x from each term, giving you negative x plus 2 inside parentheses if it's factored completely.